Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Igho, for those of you who don't know, and today I'm going to be doing a DIY tutorial on pom pom heels. They are very pretty. I saw them on Pinterest in one of my sprees, and I decided to make them for myself using these denim shoes that I haven't worn in a long time. So if you have any ankle strap shoes that you're not using, you should try these. They're very pretty, and you only need three things. You need a pair of shoes, a pair of strappy shoes like these. You need pom pom balls, and you need a hot glue gun. This is going to be my first time using a hot glue gun, so I hope that I don't burn myself. Let's get into it. But before that, don't forget to subscribe. Don't watch for free. I mean, you are watching for free, but you know, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the bell so you get notifications every time there's a new video, and follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook at Love Igho. All right, let's get into this. So the first thing you want to do is kind of arrange the pom pom balls the way you want them. To be. I'm going to put mine in a kind of zigzag pattern, right? So I'm just going to put all of those ones aside, and let's see. Okay, just so I'm sure exactly how they're going to look when I'm done. You know, because you don't want there to be any spaces left on them. Go ahead, start applying your glue. All right, and for the ankle strap, I'm guessing we're only going to need about 6 now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just use 7. Now we're going to repeat the process for the second pair.